I can navigate in Navisworks like I can do with in the Revit. I can click on the scroll wheel in my mouse and drag. This will make a pan, and I can, while holding the shift button with the scroll wheel button clicked, I can rotate or orbit the model like this. You can have this view cube just like the Revit. You can click on this home. It will show you the default 3D view of the project. I can select using the click by clicking on any item like this. If you click and drag, you want to make a window selection or a crossing window, you will see it's not selecting anything because the select is set to control 1 select items with a mouse click. You can click on the drop down arrow and choose the select box. It selects with a rectangular area. It's a crossing window from both sides. If you select like this, it's a whole window. You need all the elements to be included in this window for it to be selected. Let's see this. It's a crossing window just like the Revit. If you try to select using a click again by the mouse, it won't select anything, so you have to select again from this control 1 the select items using a mouse click, and you can select it again. You can't move or anything or draw. You can look at the properties of an element right here from the properties window. If you don't have it open, you click on this or use the shortcut of Shift and F7. Let's spin it and we can drag it like this. You need to have it bent so you can adjust its width. You will see the properties that have been exported from Revit. Family name of this item, it's and the material of it, the name of the source file, the RVT file or the Revit file, the layer or the level of the file of this column, and the material, all the material properties, and also the Revit material. It's RC reinforced concrete. You can get the element ID from the properties here like this, and the name and type of this column or any element, the top level and base level, the column location, every single item, and the task ID that we have entered into Revit. If you click in a blank space, it would say 0 items selected. You can check another thing is the selection tree. It would be here on the left. You can bend it so you can adjust its width. You will see if you click on this, that's our Revit file or the NWC Navisworks cache file. If you click this, it will select the whole model. It's a structural model. If you click on this plus sign, it will expand. Remember when we exported our model, we selected to divide the file into levels. These are the levels. If you want to select the foundation level, those, and the top of PC and top of footing 50, and the first floor, this is the first floor with the columns, or you can select expand any level. You will have the floors and the stairs, anything associated with this level. We can close it or we can just unpin it or auto hide.